Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need to move quickly. Unlock your phone and make sure camera permission is on so the scanner can work. Open Google Pay and verify you're signed into the correct Google account. This links your cards and balance. Next, tap the Pay tab, then choose the Scan QR code option. This launches the camera view. Once done, align the QR code in the frame. Keep your hand steady because autofocus and lighting determine success, and the app reads the code in less than a second when conditions are right. Center the QR code in the camera window and hold still. Avoid moving closer or farther because focus may fail. Once Google Pay reads the code, it will show the payee, amount, and available payment methods. Don't skip this review because QR codes can encode unexpected recipients or amounts. Choose the correct card or bank balance, and if needed, edit the amount. Then tap Confirm or Pay. The app processes the transaction, shows an animated progress, and returns a success screen with a receipt when complete. After payment, save the receipt or screenshot the confirmation so you have the transaction ID and timestamp for records. If the scan fails, try brighter light, wipe the camera lens, or move the code slightly farther away. Sometimes autofocus needs distance. Alternatively, use the app's Enter UPI/QR code manually option when visible. If the charge is incorrect or missing, make sure you have the transaction ID. Then contact your bank or Google Pay support. This helps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.